video, we're going to see how we can help somebody on their computer by remoting into it with a tool called Quick Assist. So what is Quick Assist? Quick Assist is a tool that's available on Windows platform that allows you to remote into somebody else's computer. So let's get into it. To access Quick Assist, go over into your start menu, type in Quick Assist. And you can see the tool opens up and you have two options. You can either get help or you can help somebody. So in this case, we're going to help somebody. And once you select that, if you're not signed in already, you need to be signed into a Microsoft account. So this could be Outlook or any live account that you might own. And once you do that, you get a code. And this is the code that you're going to give the person that you're looking to help. So what I've done here is I have another computer that I'm going to use so you can see what this looks like on the other end. Now on that computer, you see here that you can paste that code right in here and press submit. And once you submit it, it's going to attempt to establish a connection between both computers. So you see connecting on both computers for a little bit. And on the screen of the person receiving the help, it's going to bring up a prompt that is going to ask them if they want to allow screen sharing. Obviously on their end, they'll click allow. And once they do, the connection will be established and you'll be able to see their screen. So now back in the view of the person offering help, this is what you get to see on your side. On the top here, you have different prompts as to what you can do. Most of the time, if you're looking to assist somebody, most likely you want to take control of the computer. So what you want to do is request control. So you see there's a button to request control right in the middle of the top. Once you click that, you see on their screen, they have the option to either allow or deny the request. Once they click allow, now you have control. You can then click on their screen and, move it as if it's yours. You can see here, I could click on their start menu, move around on their screen. I can highlight content on their page and do just about anything that I need to do to help them on their screen. So what else could you do from Quick Assist? Let's say you didn't want to take control of their screen. You can send them a message. So I'll just type in a little message over here. Hey there. And you see there's a notification that comes up in the middle of their screen with a red dot. Once they click that, they'll see the message and they can respond back. And they just said hello. All right. So they can collapse that message. And on the off chance that this person has multiple screens, you see on the top option over here, you have the option to select the monitor logo. And that allows you to rotate between multiple monitors. In this case, there's only one screen, so we don't have that option here. So I'm going to exit this monitor selection. The last button that I think is important here is the ability to bring up their task manager. So if you ever want to see all the different applications that are running without having to click on their computer, you can click on this button, second to the last over here, and it will bring up their task manager. And once you're done, or once they're done receiving help, they can either press leave on their side and that will end the session, or you can do it on yours and it will end the session as well. So that's just a quick overview of how to use Quick Assist. This is super helpful if you're looking to help a person that isn't as familiar with using something on their computer, or you just want to show them how to get things done. This is a very handy tool and it gets a lot of problems solved very quickly. All right, hope you found this useful. If you did, feel free to like, subscribe, and share this with a friend. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video.